Hello, I'm Kasing from George Company. Wooden flooring is one of the most important things in the room. Many customers ask me about how to choose it for their own house. So today I show you two kinds of material, laminate and WPC. And I will put them in the water and see what's different after 1 hour. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now we can see the laminate is broken. You see here, it's different. But the WPC is no change. You see? Why? Because the laminate is made of sodas. It will expand when soaked in water. But WPC is wood plastic composite, so it's waterproof. Usually WPC can be used for more than 10 years, but the laminate is not waterproof. If not used properly, it will be a problem after 6 years. So I suggest you to choose the WPC if you really want the better. It's environmental production. Can use for bedroom, living room, bathroom, and balcony. Pay attention to me, and you can know more about the flooring.